going to start a short series. We're going to go through the alphabet, and I'm going to pick certain themes and topics to go with mindset, personal growth, habits, and success and performance. So today we're going to have a look at the word awareness. Now, awareness is being cognizant of what is going on around you and inside of you. And the thing is, we operate much of our life by habits. And when we're operating on habit or autopilot, we're not aware of what we're doing. And as we operate around 45 to 90% of our day on autopilot, it's only going to be possible to change when we're aware. And if you have goals to achieve, which I hope you do have, and you want to become the best version of yourself, it's really important that you extend your lens of awareness, because what you can't see, you can't see. So the first thing that I would suggest you do is to start listening into what you're telling yourself most of the time. We have around 50 to 70,000 thoughts every day. We have a negativity bias in our brain, so many of our thoughts are repeated and they're negatively focused. So take some short pauses throughout your day and listen carefully. Be aware of what you're telling yourself. Write some of these down, and within about a week, I'm quite sure that you will have noted a few patterns or beliefs that may not be serving you, and they are holding you stuck to the person that you were or your past, preventing you from moving forward and evolving into the greatest version of yourself. So that's the first step, your awareness of what's going on in your head. Then the other area that you can control is your emotional state. So start to put your awareness internally. What are you feeling? Where is that emotion in your body? How are you feeling and what's going on? When you become aware of how you're feeling and what you're thinking, you will start to then realize how those two things influence what you do. And then the third lens is to become aware of the behaviors and the actions that you take, or the behaviors and actions that you don't take, because they're all hooked up to your thoughts and your feelings. Those are the three areas in your life that you can control. So the more you become aware of each one, you will gain mental mastery, emotional mastery, and action mastery. So if you would like some help and a few tools to help you start to build your awareness of yourself, to grow, to develop, and become your very best version, I'll put the link below for my complimentary Mindset Essentials Toolkit. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and next time I will be talking about the letter B. Bye for now. Mandy Napier, Mindset for Success.